Shopping from store to store on Labor Day is a chore, so kick back and let us shop for you. Ventura TV's latest digital tag tech constantly shops the competition, so you always get the lowest prices on new electronics and appliances.
Danby's 128-can beverage center is just $2.49. Frigidaire's gas cooktop with 5-seal burners is now $5.49. And Samsung Steam Laundry Pair with 30-minute cycle is only $12.49.
Hurry in and get no interest financing for up to 12 months when you shop at Ventura TV.